My name is Max Ott. I work for NICTA, National ICT Australia, and I'm one of the partners in the OneLab 2 project.
My name is Thanasis Korakis. I'm with CERT in Greece.
OMF is a framework for managing and controlling experiments. The managing side supports the operator of the testbed to manage the testbed itself and the resources. The control side supports the experiment lifecycle. OMF allows the experimenter to efficiently conduct their experiments, configure their resources, orchestrate the experiment, and efficiently collect the measurements.
The wireless testbeds and the kind of technology in OneLab 2 we're supporting is to allow researchers to experiment with wireless links at layer 2, at the link level, the MAC layer and above.
Consumers today that need to test their products, whether these products are new technologies on wireless or new technologies on combined wired and wireless systems, will be able to remotely access NITOS to run their experiments, to reproduce their experiments, to repeat their experiments, to collect their experiments through an organized way using OMF, and to have a model that it's easy to test and to prove that their new mechanisms work.
Large wireless testbeds by nature have to be in one location, so they are considerable investment by either a single entity or a single funding agency into a single place. Now duplicating that will be very, very difficult. So having a couple of them around the world accessible to researchers is going to be very attractive. And we already have a couple of them which are controlled by OMF, which are basically operating 24/7 and being used by researchers all over the world all the time.
We based our managerial framework in NITOS on OMF. So NITOS is compliant, fully compliant with OMF, and all the extra features that we are developing, the extra managerial control features that we are developing are OMF based.
One of the big research questions sort of emerging right now is the issues around white space, public spectrums, and programmable radios or cognitive radios, where the radios can actually change their capabilities. And changing that capability based on the environment they are in. So they need to be able to sense the wireless environment, the radio environment, and then autonomously or through some coordination mechanisms which are still unresolved, trying to figure out on how to best use that spectrum for their needs. And there's a huge number of research issues coming up.
For more information on OMF and NITOS, see these websites.